Hi, I'm Andrew Watt, Senior Manager with Dewberry's Health, Safety, and Environment team. Today, let's talk about what a lockout tagout procedure is and why it's an important component of an electrical safety plan. Prior to conducting any inspections, maintenance, or repairs, one thing is most important: making sure every energy source associated with the system or process is fully controlled. That's where lockout tagout, or LOTO, comes in. Lockout tagout is the placement of a lockout device or a lock with a key or combination on an energy isolating device like a breaker, switch, valve, or blocking device while servicing the system. The energy isolating device and the equipment being controlled cannot be operated until the lockout device is removed. The process is simple but critical. A qualified employee must identify the energy sources, shut down the system in proper sequence, isolate the energy source, lock out and tag out the isolation device, and verify a zero energy state. Lockout tagout protects workers from the unexpected release of hazardous energy, whether electrical, mechanical, hydraulic, pneumatic, or stored energy, to name a few, that can cause serious injury or fatality. Keep in mind, a machine that looks off is not always safe. Equipment can restart unexpectedly, pressure can build, and stored energy can be released without warning. Therefore, it's important that only the employee who applied the lockout device may remove the lockout device. This prevents someone else from starting the equipment or system while another employee is still working on it, which will put them at risk of exposure to the energy source. Every employee has a role in lockout tagout safety. Authorized employees apply lock and verify isolation. Affected employees must respect locks and never attempt to bypass them. Remember, shortcuts around lockout tagout can cost lives. Following proper lockout tagout procedures protects you, your coworkers, and everyone on the job site. Take the time, lock it out, tag it out, and verify it's safe.